Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're going to learn how to use CSS Grid to create something like this. So anyways, the first thing I'm going to do is go to my HTML. I'm going to create a div with the class of box. I'm going to have a span, which is the class of user. I'm going to write user1, and I'm just going to put some example text. So I'm going to add 5 of them. So now this displays the username, and this is the text. So anyways, in my style.css, let's say .box. I'm going to say margin 20px. So if I reload it, it has more margin. I'm going to say padding 20px. So now they have more padding. I want to give them a background of so now we're going to change the background to follow them later, but for now they'll have that red background. So anyways, I'm also going to say border radius is 20px. I'm going to say font family. So you can use whichever font family you want. So anyways, I'm going to say .user, and in the box I'm going to display grid. I'm going to display block. That you can see that this is on the first line and this one's on the second line. I'm going to set the max. I'm going to set the max width 400px. So now it's like that. I'm going to go to the .user. I'm going to say border radius 55px. I'm going to say its width 100%. But you don't see anything. I'm going to add a background of light blue and the color be black. I'm just remove this width 100%. So I'm going to say font weight be bold. So now it's bold. So now that we're done with this, it's time to get into the grid part. I'm going to say body to display grid. So now nothing really happened. So I'm going to say grid template columns. Let's say 1 FR, which means 1 fraction. So now it does nothing. What if I add another 1 FR? We're going to see that it's been split into 2 rows. What if I add another 1 FR? It would be split into 3 rows. So now This is this user 3. The user 3. Right now, we want it to extend. Want a type to extend down here. So I'm going to add another class called .user3. I'm going to say grid row. I'm going to say span 2. So now we have to add that class to the user 3. Now you can see that this is increased, but this thing doesn't look too good. I'm going to go to the .user. I'm going to say height, fit content. So now its height has changed. And I'm also going to put in a text align center. Now all of the usernames are aligned onto the center. So I'm going to change their colors. I'm going to give this one a style. Just a background. Going to be light blue. Okay, the background is going to be light blue. I'm going to copy the style. This one, the background will be light yellow. And this one, the background will be green. And the color will be white. And this one, the background is going to be this background is going to be purple. And the color will be white. So here we go. That you're going to see that all there are different styles. Let me just change this to user 3. So I'm just make it more darker so that you can see the background. So now we have a HTML grid. So I'm just going to say body, font size 1.1 EM. So 1.05 EM. So the font size is increased a little. Also, in the user 2, it's being class user, we're going to have a style background of white. And white pink. Now the background of this will change because before it used to blend in with the background. So anyways, I'm just gonna go to the user. I'm gonna change the text align from center to right. And I'm also going to add a margin of 10 pixels. Has a margin from the content. The margin is going to be 5px. It's going to have a padding of 5px too. Okay, so now it's more bigger. So actually, I'm going to remove that styling. Everything will be able to fit into one page. Now we have HTML. Grid. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, then leave a like and subscribe. So bye.